getting ready to go on our hike. Hey, babe. Getting ready to go hiking, babe? This is our new friend Patrick from Switzerland. Are you enjoying your hike, babe?
Yes. This is our hike for walking.
Huh. But this is what you like to do. Walking, hiking.
Yes.
Hurricane. Well, what's this from? Just a mini hurricane.
You like this?
Hiking through the jungle when it's 90. Going up the hill, going down the hill. Okay, back to the hat and sunglasses. It's freaking cooking out here. Already getting sunburnt. Oh wow. Nice water storage tanks. See? They collect the rainwater, fresh water, goes into the basin, and it goes down to the shower. That's awesome. See? Self-sufficiency. One thing they need to learn back in America. Yeah, the naive ones. Yeah. We are just about to the end of the trail here. We hiked for about half an hour. It is absolutely beautiful and getting windy. Yeah. You go up there?
You want to go there?
Yeah. To the,
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
babe, you need to go down and go up. Oh, you okay?
I just need to make a shortcut. Why the wave is heavy?
Huh?
Wave is not heavy.
Well, because the wind is blowing that direction, honey. So it's windy. Windy means waves. And here is the end of the road. Oh, maybe that's the end of the road. Here you go, babe. Got to the rock. Oh. Here. Oh. Huh? I'm videoing. This is absolutely spectacular. You can see the coral reefs out there, quarter-mile out. Well, here we are in Fiji, in the absolute paradise. This is a view of what it's like on the point that we're at. It is absolutely beautiful. We're at one of the villages here, and right behind me, coming up, you'll see the house that's up on the hill. Always on Fiji time. Bula, welcome. Yeah. Oh, wow. Nice. Now Ori and I are walking through another resort on the other side of the island. Very primitive. They have a rain accumulation system. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.